how to read your text messages remotely onto another phone. This is what you will learn in this tutorial. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Open the Chrome browser onto your secondary phone on which you want to read the message. Next, in the address bar, you need to type messages.google.com. Hit enter and this page will open up messages for web. Here you will see this messages for web link. You need to click on that. It will open up this QR code page. We'll get back to this QR code, but on the bottom, you will see, remember this computer. First, you need to toggle this switch to on posit. Now, you need to go back to your original phone or the primary phone or the phone on which the messages are there, which you want to read, and click onto the Google Messages app. Once that opens, go and click these 3 vertical dots to open up within the drop down menu, you will see this messages for web. Click on that. It will open up this device pairing page along with QR code scanner button at the bottom. You need to click on this. Once you will open this, your camera will open up, scan the QR code. Now you need to scan the QR code that we opened in the second phone on our Chrome browser a moment back. You need to scan that QR code, right? I'll repeat again. This is your first phone. With the help of this first phone, you are scanning the QR code onto the second. So it will ask for the pairing request. You need to allow by clicking this allow button. Next, now you need to go back to your second phone where the QR code was displayed. Open within the Chrome browser, you need to click on these 3 vertical dots. From the Chrome drop down menu, you would see this install app. Click on that and it will ask to install web app. Click on the install. And then it will install that web app, and from that moment onward, you would be able to read the text messages on your second phone, which are there on your first phone or primary. Don't forget to like this. Thanks.